Hello, this is my project that I'm gonna be explaining today. It's Project D. So at the beginning, I set up the tutorial and I use many because I'm gonna be using them, and the pen size and the color, also the speed. So I start by doing this. Move this to the bottom left of the screen. Uh, this is gonna be moving from here to here, and move Bob to the middle left of the screen. So Bob is gonna be moving from here to here, and then Andy, move Andy to the top right of the screen, and he's gonna be moving from here also to here. And in here, this is gonna be drawing diamonds. So the first row is to the bottom, moves to the bottom left. For I in range n, it's gonna go. Uh, it's gonna uh, draw 9 diamonds. Also in here, depth row of diamonds middle creates a row of n diamonds in the middle. So n is gonna be 9. And the same in here. It's gonna draw the diamonds on the top. So and this function is gonna be doing the long diamonds, or whatever this is, and yeah, make the left column make the first upright column. So it's gonna be this one, and then the first column under. So it's gonna be this one. I did most of these, but I'm just gonna show two as an example. And then this one, this is the end. It's gonna draw the diamonds, the line of the row of diamonds. Draw all 3 rows of diamonds with Tess, Bob, and Andy. As you can see, each one we have 3 in here. So yeah, and this one is just gonna finish the picture with the with this the same as the diamond, the row of diamonds, but the first column is gonna be this one, and then the first column under is gonna be this one, and the second column is gonna be this one, and the second column under is gonna be this one. and the third is gonna be this, this one and this one, and the last columns of the are gonna be this one and this one. So finish picture test Bob, Andy, Joe, and Paul, Dan, Fan, Sam. Yeah, let's do it. You can see here I have my project. So I just show this as an example. So the orders are here, like the second columns and the thirds and the last ones are these ones. And I wanna run my project now. You can see, as I say, this one is the first row of diamonds. It's 9 them, and then the middle column, and the top column. The row of diamonds, and then the first long diamond, then the second. These two are the first ones. Then the second, then the third, then we have the last ones. As you can see, this is the project. And we can actually do this too faster. And we can change the this. We can make it smaller, like 25. You see, this is my this is the project. Thank you so much.